Using Affirm at Seatgeek is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Affirm for your Seatgeek. So for that, you have to be at your Seatgeek and you need to select any of the ticket that you want to buy. After that, you just have to select any of the concert, or you just go to the ticket, and you have to ensure you have to go to the checkout section. So after that, suppose I did that and I'm going to go to the checkout, and they will want me to log into my account. So you need to create an account. Currently, I don't have any account, so you just need to create an account, and it will take you to the payment option, which should be like, credit or debit card. So SeatGeek only accept credit or debit card. So for that, we need to have a credit or debit card for Affirm. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to, go to your Affirm's application, and you need to, apply for your virtual card. This is how the process should look. You just need to, select the pay one-time virtual card, and here you have to, add the amount you want to add into your virtual card. You have to tap on continue, and there you go. This is how your virtual card should look like. So you just need to, put these card information in the checkout section of the SeatGeek, and your payment should be deducted from your Affirm's virtual card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use Affirm at SeatGeek. Hope you guys find this video helpful.